Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a broken Ford Focus bonnet. First, locate the bonnet release lever inside the cabin, typically near the driver's footwell. Pull the lever and listen for any movement or sound from the front of the car. If there is no response, the cable might be disconnected or broken. Next, you will need to access the latch directly. To access the latch, you will need to safely raise the front of your Ford Focus. Use a sturdy jack and secure the vehicle with 2 jack stands for safety. Once elevated, carefully remove the engine under tray or splash guard. This panel is usually held by several screws or clips. With the under tray removed, you will have a clear view of the bonnet latch assembly. Now, with the latch visible, identify the main release lever or the end of the cable that connects to it. Often, a long, flathead screwdriver or a similar tool can be used. Carefully insert the tool and gently push or pull the lever in the direction that would normally release the bonnet. You might feel a slight resistance before the latch disengages. After successfully releasing the bonnet, carefully lift it open and secure it with the prop rod. Take this opportunity to thoroughly inspect the entire bonnet release system. Look for any signs of wear, corrosion, or broken parts on both the cable and the latch mechanism. Applying a good quality lubricant to the moving parts will help ensure smooth operation and prevent future problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.